Direct replacement. This engine oil filler tube is designed to match the fit and function of the original tube on specified vehicles. Restores functionality. Reliable replacement for an original tube that has failed due to fatigue and corrosion. Durable construction. This part is made from quality materials to ensure reliable performance and long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This engine oil filler tube is designed to match the fit and function of the original tube on specified vehicles, and is engineered for durability and reliable performance. Top reviews from the United States. Fit like OEM. Not sure why some people have problems with this and gave a bad review. Mine came with an O-ring and fit perfectly. Once installed, it can only be removed by taking the valve cover off and depressing the tab. If you try to force it off without removing the valve cover, it will break the tab and be wobbly. This is how the original GM is and is designed this way to keep it from coming off when removing the oil fill cap. I think some of the poor reviews are from people removing TAR after installing it without removing the valve cover.